Hi guys, let's talk about the Pyrex Smart Essentials 3-piece prepware mixing bowl set. I got it in the set of 3 and these are clear glass ones. So that means they're dishwasher, microwave, and freezer safe, you guys. So whatever you need, they got you. The only thing I do want to note for you guys is that they cannot go on the stovetop and they are not to be used in broilers. So don't put this in the broiling in your oven, okay guys? But apart from that, they are awesome. I was so worried about them shipping it to me because of course, as you can see, they're glass, but they came in perfect. No scratches, no dents, no bumps, no breaks. All right, you guys, they come in a very tight, smaller package so they can sit one on top of the other perfectly, and they'll be lined with cardboard so they won't break. I think these are amazing, whether you're making French toast, cookie dough, whatever you want to make in these, they're awesome. And of course, they're stackable, so that takes away from storing them. It is so much easier to store them. All you need is this amount of space, and I think they're amazing. They're quite durable. You guys are gonna love them. And for the cooks out there, trust me, meal prepping becomes so much easier when you have mixing bowls.